Hi, I'm Jake Fulrod. I'm the Market Development Director for Equipment Technologies. We're the maker of the Apache self-propelled sprayer, built in Mooresville, Indiana. And we're here at the 2016 National Farm Machinery Show in Louisville, Kentucky. And we're here highlighting some product changes to our self-propelled sprayer. And I'll go through a couple of those with us now. And one of the key upgrades is in the structure of our frame. We've made some adjustments there that have increased strength and durability in our chassis. We've also redesigned and added cylinders to our back rack for our booms. We replaced the clevis design with that cylinder design, which is much more structurally sound. And also we've gone to a heated and ventilated seat option for the leather seat for the operator experience in the cab. So those are a few of the highlights. Also, we're going to our Tier 4 final Cummins engine. So we're also introducing that as well, and that's given us an increase in some cases of 20% more horsepower and torque for the models. So that's and also a fuel efficient motor as well. So those are some of the highlights we're debuting here at the 2016 National Farm Machinery Show with our Apache self-propelled sprayers. Come out and see us.